Hours of blood, sweat, and tears. That is something that every athlete and performer has definitely experienced once in their lives. With that, my experience was color guard. Color guard is something I had joined the beginning of my freshman year and continue to have in my life till this day. Today I'm going to be talking about what color guard is, what it means to me, and how it has brought my family together while making a new family. What is color guard? Color guard is dance routines with various equipment such as a flag, rifle, or saber. Color guard usually performs with the marching band in the fall and they perform by themselves in a gym in the winter. These are filled with competitions, shows, and hours and hours of practice to get those 8 minutes of the show perfectly right, perfectly symmetrical. It was something that I dreaded to go to every day for practice, but I loved the performing and I loved the people along with it. Now that I've talked about what color guard is, we're going to be talking about what it means to me and next, how my family has gotten closer from it. What color guard means to me. I have tried every sport imaginable. Volleyball, soccer, softball, archery even, and I never really stuck with one because I either didn't like it or I got bored. And surprisingly, I never got bored of color guard. It was a pain sometimes, but it's the one I fell in love with, and even now I continue to teach people the thing I love. I did not know what it was when someone first asked me if I wanted to join color guard, but I took a chance on it and it ended up paying up for itself. And now it's something that I have completely fallen in love with. Now that I've talked about what it means to me and what it is, now we're going to be talking about how it has brought my family closer while bringing me a new family. The way color guard has brought my family closer was competitions, showcases, concerts, performances, you name it, I've done it. I did not make it mandatory for my family to come, but I really stressed the importance of attending. I wanted us to be closer than what we were, and I thought the perfect opportunity was to them to bond and watching me perform. And now it has worked out for itself. Now we're closer than ever, and we bring up these moments as our first recollections of life. And I never was really a social person, and friends were very questionable to me. And then I looked around, and I was around people who were sharing the same experience as me. We'd gone through our wins, our losses, our practices, our frustrations together, and it was something that nobody else would understand because it was something that we had all went through together. And I think it's wonderful when you find people who relate to you, and that's exactly what I found. Now, I've talked about color guard on what it is, what it means to me, and how it has brought my family closer while bringing me a whole new family. I find it amazing how I became part of color guard when I did not even know what it was from the start. Color guard has made an impact in my life, and I am proud to say that it is a part of my culture.